Matthew Smith, 1879 to 1959, was a British painter celebrated for his use of bold colors, expressive brushwork, and his profound ability to capture the vitality of his subjects. Smith's work remains a cornerstone of British art in the 20th century. Blending traditional and modernist style while maintaining a distinctly personal approach. Matthew Arnold Borsey Smith was born on 22 October 1879 in West Yorkshire, England. He grew up in a working class family, the son of wire manufacturer in our region known for its industrial heritage. Despite limited access to the arts in his early years, Smith showed an innate talent for drawing and a curiosity about color and form. Smith's formal education began at Bradford Technical College, where he initially studied textile design. His growing interest in the art led him to enroll at the Salad School of Fine Arts in London. In 1905, under the mentorship of prominent figures like Henry Tonks and Phillips Wilson Steele, at Salad Smith honed his technical skill, developing a solid foundation in drawing and composition. In 1908, Smith moved to Paris to immerse himself in the vibrant art scenes. He studied at the prestigious Academia and the more experimental academies Matisse founded by the renowned French artist Henri Matisse. During this time, Smith absorbed the avant-garde movements sweeping through Paris, including Fusion and Post-Impressionism. The influence of artists like Matisse, Cezanne, and Van Gogh is evident in Smith's work, particularly in his vivid use of color and loose, emotive brushwork. This period marked a turning point in his artistic style, shifting away from the more strained techniques and he had learned at Salad. Smith's paintings are characterized by their vibrant palette and expressive forms. He often depicted landscapes, still life, and portraits, imbuing each subject with emotional intensity and a scene of immediacy. His preference for rich, distorted colors, red, orange, and blue, reflect his fewest influence, while his layered texture and dynamic composition speak to his admiration for Chisholm. Smith had a keen ability to capture the essence of his subjects. In his portraits, he often focused on the interplay between the sitter's personality and the surrounding environment, creating a scene of intimacy and depth. His landscapes, weather scenes of Provence of the English countryside, conveyed a luminous quality that transcended mere representation. Despite his critical acclaim, Smith struggled financially and faced health challenges surrounded his life. His personal relationships were often tumultuous and he remained something of an outsider in the British art establishment. Nevertheless, he continued to paint with passion and dedication. In 1953, Smith was awarded the title of Commander of the Order of the British Empire in recognition of his contribution to British art. By this time, his work had gained a devoted following and was included in significant exhibitions both in the UK and abroad. Matthews Smith passed away on 29 September 1959, leaving behind a rich legacy of vibrant, emotionally charged work. His paintings are now part of major collection, including the Tate Gallery and the National Gallery of Scotland, ensuring his enduring influence on future generations of artists. Matthew Smith's artistic journey was one of perseverance, innovation, and deep emotional renaissance through his bold use of color and expressive techniques. He forged a unique path in British art, blending traditional sensibilities with the daring modernism of the early 20th century today. His work continued to captivate audience, a testament to his genius and underlying creative spirit. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and share my video.